Good morning, students. Today's topic is line spectrum of hydrogen. In hydrogen atom, there is only one electron, which is present in the first orbit in ground state. When the energy is applied by passing the electric current, these electrons may be excited to some higher energy levels. In a sample of hydrogen, there are large number of atoms. The electrons in different atoms absorb different amount of energy and they are excited to different higher energy levels. On passing the electric discharge through the gaseous hydrogen, the hydrogen molecule get dissociated to produce excited hydrogen atoms that emit electromagnetic radiations of different frequency. The hydrogen spectrum consists of several series of lines named after their discovery on the basis of experiment. These lines, which arise due to the transition from higher energy level to lower energy level, means the line which arise due to the transition from higher energy level, that is n infinity, n6, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 1, and this is n is equal to 1, last energy. Means starting from this in increasing order, n values are present. This is the last value, n is equal to 6, or this is the first value, n is equal to 1. Means when the line which arise due to the transition from higher energy level to the first energy level are grouped as Lamon series, means n value is equal to 1. This series is called as Lamon series. The line arise due to the transition from higher energy level to the n is equal to 2, means lower energy level. This series is called as Balmer series. And same as it is n is equal to 3, when the line arise due to the transition from higher energy level to n is equal to 3 values, this is called as Paschen series. And same all the series are formed. Means the first 6 series of lines that correspond to n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called as Lamon, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, Pfund, Humphrey. All these are the series. Why this series occur? Because due to this transition, the electrons emit energy. When the electrons comes from higher to lower energy levels, electrons emit energy, or this energy is present in the form of photons. This is the spectral lines for atomic hydrogen. First, when the n1 value is equal to 1, this is Lamon series. n2 value will be 2 or 3 and so on. Its spectral region is ultraviolet region. Second is Balmer series. n1 value is equal to 2, n2 value is equal to 3, 4, mean next one, because n2 is equal to n1 plus 1, n1 plus 2, n1 plus 3, and so on. Spectral region is visible region. Third is Paschen series. n1 value is equal to 3, n2 value that is equal to 4, 5, 6, and so on. Spectral region is infrared region. Fourth is bracket. n1 value is equal to 4, n2 value is equal to 5, 6, 7, and so on. Spectral region is again infrared. Fifth is Pfund. Its name is Pfund series. n1 value is equal to 5, n2 value is equal to 6, 7, 8, and so on. Spectral region is infrared. And the last series is Humphrey. n1 value is equal to 6, n2 value is 7, 8, and so on. Spectral region is far infrared. So these are the 6 spectral lines of atomic hydrogen atom. Due to this all transitions, the electrons emit energy in the form of photon radiations. Then the frequency of emitted photon is calculated by this formula. Mu is equal to 3.29 multiply 10 raised to power 15 into में 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, and unit is per second. Frequency unit is per second. Now in terms of wave number, that is mu bar is equal to 109677 into में 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square centimeter inverse. Unit of wave number is centimeter inverse. Here n1 values is 1, 2, 3 according to the series, and n2 value that is n1 plus 1, n1 plus 2, n1 plus 3, and so on. And the value 109677 centimeter inverse, that is Rydberg constant. It's shown by small symbol, that is RH. Now take one numerical problem. Calculate the wave number for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of atomic hydrogen. How will you calculate the wave number? Wave number is equal to RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the formula of for calculating the wave number, where RH is the Rydberg constant. Its value is 109677 into 1 by, what is the value of n1? n1 value for Balmer series, that is equal to 2. n1 is equal to 2, means 2 ka square, minus what is the value of n2? n2 value is equal to n1 plus 1, means 3. n1 value is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 1 by 3 ka square. After calculating 15, 232.91 centimeter inverse, it changes into point, means 1.523 into 10 raised to power 4 centimeter inverse. How it is changed into meter? It is multiplied by 100, then 1.523 into 10 raised to power 6 per meter. So with the help of this formula, we can easily find out the wave number of any series of atomic hydrogen atom. Thank you, students.